Hello and welcome, Rose Tech Info. Hope you are having a wonderful day. In this video, detailing about custom domains, why you need one, and how to get started. So before I start my video, please subscribe my channel. Custom domains, why you need one, and how to get started. I am typically working on websites that are up and running where the domain is already set, but occasionally I get to be part of selecting a custom domain for a brand new website. I seem like a basic decisions, but it's reality. It can make or break the visibility for your website. Take for example the clients with the regional business who choose a brand and domain name that was extremely similar to a huge international brand. The website had been up and running for about 3 years and high to peaks break the new that ranking locally on Google for their company name above these competitors will be a huge uphill battle. Get started with HubSpot custom domains connections. Understanding custom domains and how to pick the right ones is crucial to making your sites unique, accessible, and memorable for your customers. So let's take a look at the benefits of custom domains and how to get started with yours. Table of contents. What is a custom domain? How much does a custom domain cost? How to get a custom domain? What are the benefits of a custom domain? Custom domains examples. What are best practices for custom domains names? Buy a custom domain for a credibility boost. What is a custom domain? A custom domain is a unique branded label attached to your website IP address. Customers who want to visit your site types and custom domains name into their browser's address bars. There's no need to memorize the lengthy IP address. HubSpot custom domains, for example, iHubSpot.com. Domains names are required for property reasons. They are provided for ownerships over your site addresses. Think of it a way I have to some address so visitors can navigate to my home with the help of the GPS. Similarly, I would have a custom domains name so many customs can easily find my website. One of the other benefits of a custom domain has once claimed that of a market no one else can use it. Having a website URL had scarce custom domains, but it's important for the other reasons too. Custom domains for email. When to get marketing emails or any business emails for marketers will appear most. One of the times emails addresses evaluated the whole branded emails. HubSpot's team members, for example, would come from name HubSpot.com. I am always a little surprised to receive emails from established business, even in small sum. Not to do some custom domains, the emails relying to business emails might be yours indicator emails accounts is a free thing. I am you're missing the opportunity that reinforces your brand, that establishes a level of trust and professionalism for larger business. You might also want different versions of a custom domains to create email addresses like name, business name, supports.com. Generic domains versus custom domains. Generic domains are when you use word to describe your products or service rather than choosing the company name for your URLs. There's huge room to debate it. Here's what I personally think: generic domains can look a bit spammy. Let's say I'm running to auto repairs shops, Nashville. I could go with the generic domains names like auto repairs Nashville.com. People generally choose domains like this is the shops that will help their website rank and search engines. But let's take a look at the results that comes up for auto repairs. Choose for in Nashville. Not identical domains in the site. These custom domains name are branded and think automatically no upon extended length a certain level of credibility For this businesses that the generic domain name would not and still ranking in the top 10 result for a super valuable keywords. Search so in that another examples of how custom domains can really help your brand. Domain extensions. Another key things I'd like to quickly note about custom domains is the ability to mix and match. Domains can have sports check out that articles for more info and how to its play into your custom domains. AI generated custom domains. Established business generally pick a name first and then find a custom domain that matches but with the for starting from scratch. If you're having a trouble choosing a custom domain name, AI tools can help. I recommend it trying out tools like Brandbucket or Domain Wheels to get inspirations and options. Here's how it look at Domain Wheel, the best domain names generators. Enter some keywords to get some ideas. I continue name with the Nashville Auto Repair Shop. Examples and here's what I got. The truth is are more generic domains but are could be search a branded name that have the mindset and with the thoughts the some experience. This is especially useful. The businesses.com is already takes the advantage of the find alternatives but are the benefits of the customs domains. I am additions the creating a space for your business to live online. A custom domain has another benefits are the some benefits. The reasons I recommend selecting personalized domain names. Brand identity. Your custom domain name becomes your company online monikers. If the server searching for a particular company online, I expect the domain name to match or closely assembles the company name. It's robust, staying resistant across the brands identify and particularly making your website and your business or more discoverable online. Credibility. A custom domain's name boostly credibility is your name makes the website appears legitimate to visitors. If I did set up a custom domain for a website before publishing is the website builders I am using are typically assign subdomains of their own website, so your website would be published under your name wix.com. For example, for my website squadronspace.com. True, my website would be live, but its world likely struggles. I rank based in search engines, and its world be a super professional tools preferences to customers. Memorability. The more straightforward of the domain's name is, the easier is the examples, and easier it's the remember to more likely to people will remember this when typing in their search bar, and that means more traffic directed to your website. Differentiations from competitors. Using a clean catchy from domains is also using differentiating yourself from competing site with a clunkier domains. Let's go back to my imagery. Nashville auto repairs shop expecting a customer of two types, Nashvilleers and shop.com are bit unrealistic, but Dundroto.coms or themselves Tingmesport.com have a nice memorable ring to them. Authority boost. A custom domain's name boost research authority. If you use it right, it's take to emulate quality content. Internal links and backlinks. Older domains typically have more authority. That's why investing in a custom domains from RGP often it comes to visibility. It gives you set times of growth, establish authority. When you try to make a switch, let's you working growth grounds zero again, and search engines will only see brands new domains that need to start from scratch. Custom domain example. Now let's take a look at some custom domains pure examples to further explain the concept and how to choose your domain. Asana.com. Asana's custom domain is a great example of a brand first domain that is short, snappy, and memorable. There's no extra squeezing of keywords into a website address, and it reinforces their brand's recognitions. Similar example I like includes Figmas.com, Apple.com, Stripe.com, Booking.com. I take it back and entirely possible to combine search visibility and keyword focused domains with brands reinforced by Booking.com. It's a closely versions of Booking. This where the category keywords matching a brand itself. I still recommended being extremely careful with this strategy. This only reason its work is because the brand matches and keywords category it has a huge benefits and pulls off. But I would caution anyone against being too keywords lead with their custom domains choice. Coursera ORG. Coursera custom domains is another interesting combination. The ORG extension is indicative of a non-profit while the brand's name Coursera lends itself to educational focus on the side. I think this is a winning combination in terms of using both the second left domain's business name and the domain's extensions and reinforce both brands identify to a purpose on the site. TheGuardian.com. The Guardian is a new outlet based on the UK. Why I am including is here. I used to be hosted TheGuardians.com UK, but the company involves the transitions to come as the reflecting of how much wider audience base is other words is good example of how your website structure and domains can solve as your business does. Moz.com, the popular search engines marketing tool, has a custom domains that's as short and snappy as they can. The Snappy's original name as SEO Moz, but Moz.com there has the snappy brand's recognition that the long runs can be more powerful runs and having a keywords included in your custom domains. Gusto.co.uk as a brand that I think probably had quite a tricky discussion when it's come to use their domains. Gusto is a food box service and app that operates and service the UK, so their custom domains makes total sense. But Gusto.com was taken event demonstrations as of writing it does not lead anywhere. Well, this may cause problem if Gusto ever expand into markets outside the UK setting. For Gusto.co UK, this is instance makes perfect sense. Journalism's lie. See what they did there. The General Assembly is the training hub for people is the tech industry. But what to do you when generalassembly.com to the token you came up with the genius hack using a domain extension typically uses for the website based Alibia to make your custom domains on your exact brand name. I love this example because it shows how creative you can get with custom domains if you are willing to think outside the box. Gatherways.com. There are tons of website businesses all over the world plus some people there have been buying up custom domains. Space can be crowded and expensive. For example, Harvest in the time tracking up with Harvest.com taken by implementing workarounds that's common is the SaaS space is adding at the start of their brand's the domain name. What are the best practices for custom domain name? Now you have decided to pay for a custom domain's name. Congratulations on taking a significant the first step towards establishing and search authority. Credibility and trust are a few things that recommended on your consider when coming up with the domain names. Keep it short and sweet. Even I am working with the lengthy business name, I try to keep the brief while maintaining cohesiveness with the brands. Make it unique. I want its visitors to easily navigate a website, not a complexity. Right, where possible, make sure there are no confusions with your domain name. Don't overcomplicate things. Domains names that are easy to spell and pronounce are the most successful. Hint at what do you do. My domain's names should provide visitors with an idea of what my business is all about. Take Google for examples. The Google popular search engines were almost named alphabets or backup, but co-founders Larry Page surgery brains ultimately reside on Google. It's derived from words Google's and announced number of the Mirror's web page. Investing. Now that we are gone towards the benefits and trusts. Setting up your sites. Now you have the step and dashboards editors. Do you search keywords available? Keep it branded, simple, and connected to your business name and brand identity as possible. Editor note: this post was originally published is April 2020 and has been updated for comprehensiveness. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you more next video. Take care. Bye.